delivers a gas V8 6.2 liters/376 engine powering this manual transmission. Wipers, front intermittent, windows, power with driver and passenger express down/up, wheels, silver painted aluminum, 18x8.5, 45.7 cm by 21.6 cm, front and 19x10.0, 48.3 cm by 25.4 cm, rear. This Chevrolet Corvette comes equipped with these options: visors, driver and passenger illuminated vanity mirrors, universal home remote, includes garage door opener, 3-channel programmable, located on driver visor, trunk release, push button open, traction control, all speed, tires, P245/40ZR18 front and P285/35ZR19 rear. Performance, summer only, run flat. Do not use summer-only tires in winter conditions, as it would adversely affect vehicle safety, performance and durability. Use only GM-approved tire and wheel combinations. Unapproved combinations may change the vehicle's performance characteristics. For important tire and wheel information, see your dealer for a copy of the vehicle's owner's manual, theft-deterrent system, vehicle, push-button start, immobilizer and audible visual alarm, theft-deterrent system, body security content and unauthorized entry, electrical, suspension, 4-wheel independent, storage, with electric locking glove box, behind screen storage, center console and rear compartment with cover, steering, power, speed sensitive rack and pinion, variable ratio. Visit us today. A short visit to Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia. B9T3L3 can get you a tried and true Corvette today.